Hello YouTubers, it's been a while. Decided to start doing one of my PTs. I have 3 PTs. Ruston and Hornsby PT, for those who's not into stationary engines. Although I have 3, I have none of them running, and I thought I'd do this one. This one does not need paint, or at least I'm not going to paint it, so it's not going to be a long restoration project. Just spent an hour dismantling it. Snap the bolt here. I drilled it and retapped it. Took the flywheel out. Crank number matches with the nameplate. Carburetor definitely had some water. There's the cylinder head and some other bits. The pulley, it's a V-belt and a flat pulley. I have the fuel tank as well, and the water hopper, which is unusual to the normal PTs. This kind of hopper is nicknamed the Carrott because it has a V-shaped. This trolley is built cheap because the chipboard got deteriorated, but all in all, I think it had some few compression before I dismantled it, but I wanted to make sure that the valves are lapped, and also will clean the water jacket with compressed air from those holes, because there's a lot of debris inside, and by time it could expand with rust and will develop a crack, and all that hard work will go dumped. So I like to clean everything to make sure that everything is done once and right. Thank you for watching. Please share my videos.